Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 12th November. Let's start. In the year of 1781 on this day the British captured Nagapattinam. In the year of 1896 on this day Salim Ali, an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, was born. In the year of 1925 on this day the US and Italy signed a peace agreement. In the year of 1930 on this day the first round table conference was held in London. It was attended by 56 Indian and 23 British delegates, but no member of in the Indian National Congress participated. In the year of 1936 on this day temples in Kerala were open to all Hindus. In the year of 1946 on this day freedom fighter, politician, educationist and social reformer Madan Mohan Malviya passed away. In the year of 1956 on this day Morocco, Sudan and Tunisia joined the United Nations. In the year of 1967 on this day Indira Gandhi was expelled from the party while serving as the Prime Minister. In the year of 1984 on this day Britain discontinued the £1 note and introduced coins. In the year of 1995 on this day Nigeria was suspended from membership of the Commonwealth. In the year of 2002 on this day the United Nations prepared a new peace plan for Cyprus based on the federal structure of Switzerland. In the year of 2005 on this day the 13th SAARC summit was started in Dhaka. In the year of 2008 on this day the nuclear capable K-15 Sagarika was successfully test fired from Balasore. In the year of 2008 on this day the country's first unmanned spacecraft Chandrayaan-1 was placed in the final orbit of the moon. In the year of 2016 on this day Jackie Chan received the Oscar for his film achievements at the 8th annual Governors Award ceremony. In the year of 2018 on this day former US First Lady Michelle Obama published her memoir Becoming: My Life's Journey. In the year of 2019 on this day the 550th anniversary of the birth of Guru Nanak was celebrated with pomp in India and Pakistan. In the year of 2019 on this day Disney launched its streaming service Disney Plus. In the year of 2020 on this day Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated a life-size statue of Swami Vivekananda in the Jawaharlal Nehru University campus in Delhi. In the year of 2020 on this day Indian Navy launched the 5th Scorpion submarine Vagir at Majgaon Dock in South Mumbai. The submarine is capable of undertaking anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, mine laying, intelligence gathering and area surveillance. In the year of 2020 on this day the government had launched the Self-Reliant India Employment Scheme to provide new employment opportunities amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The scheme was launched as a part of the new financial incentive of rupees 2.65 lakh crore. In the year of 2020 on this day the Union Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship launched the skill training program with skill training of 3 lakh migrant workers. In the year of 2021 today is celebrated as World Pneumonia Day. World Pneumonia Day is observed globally on 12 November every year. It is celebrated to raise awareness, promote prevention and treatment, and take action to combat the disease. This day was first celebrated in the year 2009. In the year of 2021, today is also celebrate Public Service Broadcasting Day. Public Service Broadcasting Day is celebrated every year on 12 November. The day is celebrated to commemorate the first and only visit of the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi to the studio of All India Radio in Delhi in 12 November 1947. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.